Hello, welcome back to the next free video on the Stress Ebook LLC's YouTube channel. In this video, we will be talking about section properties of an irregular shape with holes or gaps. Okay, this is one of the common problems. May not be that big of a deal, but it is a problem for some people who don't know how to do this. Okay, so let's get into this. First thing we're going to talk about in this blog post is the general background of section properties, including useful links to property calculation tools online. We can go there and you can look how it's done in general. And the next thing we'll do is discuss what are closed and open sections in the blog post. And then after that, we will look at what are the challenges with open sections that have gaps or holes in them. Followed by the methods of calculating section properties for different kinds of sections, especially open sections with gaps. And then we will also discuss how to use FEM tools to determine these properties. What are the benefits and downsides of that method using FEM tools? And then we will talk about some results and we will discuss how accurate they are and how does the FEM influence the accuracy. And then finally, we will wrap it up with some conclusions. Okay. And so you can find all of these topics in that single free blog post at this link here. I will include this link below the video and some other useful links as well. Okay. So as I usually do, I request all of my subscribers to become a newsletter subscriber. I mean, all of my visitors to become a newsletter subscriber or a blog subscriber by providing their email address and the name so that you can get a bunch of stuff for free. There's a lot of benefits to that. First of all, you'll get an ebook for free. It's a very nice ebook that has been downloaded more than 10,000 times. I probably lost count of it. It's probably a lot more than that now, but you'll get that for free. You'll also get a PDF full of the FAA regulations on structures. You'll get that for free. You'll also get a link to download all the blog post PDFs. That is also free. You will also get a couple of free lessons for both the bronze and the silver level courses, which are paid courses. Okay, so and then you will be up to date on every time there's a new blog post published. You will be the first one to know. And also, if there are any specials that I offer for the courses, you will also be the first to know. All right. And if you want to visit the free blog, this is the link right here, stressebook.com/blog. And if you want to check out the existing paid courses, you can go to this page right here. And I will include all of these underneath the video so you don't have to note this down. And if you are an existing member, already a paid subscriber, you can go to this link here and log in to access your course content. And we also provide engineering services. And if you're somebody who's looking to hire us to help you with aerospace stress engineering, then we can offer that. Just go to this page here. We will include this link below the video, and there's a contact form there that you can use, or you can go to the contact page on the website and just send us an email and we'll take it from there. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.